Jai Srimanarayana. 24th sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tasmat Shastram Pramanam Te Karya Vyavasthitau Jnatva Shastra Vidhanoktam Karma Kartum Iharhasi. Om. Keep it as a regular practice to read Bhagavad Gita. It helps you to decide what is to be done and what is not to be done. And it helps you elevate yourself. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, to elevate myself and to decide what is to be done, what is not to be done, I shall read Bhagavad Gita every day. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam Pravrajanta Manupeta Mupeta Krutyam Dvaipayano Viraha Katara Ajuhava Putreti Tanmayataya Taravo Bhineduhu Tam Sarva Bhuta Hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 332nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, in Brindavanam, Sharadrutu, Autumn season started and entire atmosphere is very peaceful. Bhrashtanam iva chetamsi punaryoga nishevaya. As and how those who are into this mundane world, the moment they start doing bhakti yogam towards Sri Krishna Paramatma, how their minds, their hearts will become so peaceful. Just like that, in this Sharad Rutu, autumn season, in Brindavanam, all the ponds are looking very clear and pure. All the waters are looking very clear and pure. Sharad Jahara Ashraminam Krishne Bhaktihi Yadha Subham. The moment anyone who does Krishna Prema, who does devotion and love towards Sri Krishna Paramatma, that Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Prema will remove all kind of troubles of all stages of people like Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, Sannyasa. Just like that, in this autumn season, Akasam got very cleared. There are no clouds at all. And entire mud is cleared on this earth. All the contamination is gone in the waters. And as and how those great munis who gave up, who renunciated all these mundane desires, how they are very peaceful. Just like that, the clouds released all the water from them, renunciated all the water from them, and now they are also looking very peaceful. All the great people who have wisdom, only when someone asks them, they will shower their wisdom on them. If no one asks, they would never shower their wisdom. Just like that, in this autumn season, all the water streams, sometimes it is coming out from mountains, sometimes it is not coming. And those who are into this mundane world, they would never realize that as the day passes, their lifespan is getting decreased. They would never realize that. They are completely drowned into mundane world. Just like that, all the water animals who are living in the pond are not realizing that water is now getting sink. Water levels are going down. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 24th sloka. Tasmat Shastram Pramanante Karya Karya Vyavasthitau Jnatva Shastra Vidhanoktam Karma Kartumiharhasi. Tasmat Shastram Pramanante Karya Karya Vyavasthitau Jnatva Shastra Vidhanoktam कर्म कर्तुमिहार्हसि। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।